Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. In the first step, go to search bar and type in main.cpl and hit enter. So you'll get this window. Now go to pointers options and we need to uncheck this option, enhance pointer precision. Now click on apply and then OK. Once done, we need to open File Explorer, then click on these three dots, go to Options tab. Now go to General tab and we need to select this option. Double click to open an item, single click to select. Okay, now click on apply and then OK. Still not working, then open Device Manager. Now go to mice and other pointing devices, so expand these. Simply right click on your mouse, then uninstall the device, and after that your mouse stop working. Then we need to use our keyboard to restart our system and the problem will be solved. So press Alt F4 together to close all windows and it will pop up this window, and simply restart the system, and there we go. The problem is solved and you're good to go.